Good morning everyone. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.3, but before this we are going to study about the transpose of matrix. Transpose means suppose we have a matrix A that can be written as A11, A12, A13, A21, A22 and A23, and we have A31, A32 and A33. Okay, this is our matrix which is of order of 3 into 3, right? So the transpose of this matrix A can be written as AT, and it can be transferred it like A11, A12, A13 and A21, A22, A23 and A31, A32 and A33. So it means when we are doing transpose of any matrix, it row changes into column and its column changes into row. This is the meaning of transpose, and we denote the transpose as a to the power t. ठीक है, a t से हम ट्रांसपोज को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, एंड ट्रांसपोज का मीनिंग होता है दैट द रॉ चेंजेस इनटू कॉलम एंड कॉलम चेंजेस इनटू रॉ. ओके, so let's do some questions related to it. We have exercise 3.3. Its first question is like we have to find the transpose of the matrix. The first part is 5, 1 by 2 and minus 1. We have this matrix, we can represent it as A and we have to find the transpose of it. ठीक है, तो ट्रांसपोज कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? दिस इज, you can say here we have only one column and 3 rows. ठीक है, तो m into n can be say as 3 by 1. Okay, so when we find the transpose of it, so we can say we can change the column into row and row into column. So the transpose of A will be 5, 1 by 2 and minus 1. That's it. Okay, now we have another matrix, that is question number 2. I'm going to solve it here. ठीक है, question number 2 we are having कि हमें given है a matrix A equals to 1, 2, minus 1 and 3, and we have to find the transpose of it. So as I told you, we can change, for finding the transpose of any matrix, we can change column to row and row to column. So our answer will be, here I am writing 1 here and minus 1 here, 2, and here we can write 3. This is the transpose of given matrix. Now we have the third part of it. Again we have to change the matrix as transpose of it. So we have A equals to minus 1 root 3, 2, 5, 5, 3, 6, 6, 1. तो हमें क्या करना है, इसका ट्रांसपोज फाइंड आउट करना है. So AT will be minus 1, 5 can be here and 6 is here. Now we start with root 3, 5 and 6, and here we have 2, 3 and minus 1. So this is the transpose of given matrix. So हमें एक्चुअल में ट्रांसपोज में क्या करना होता है, रोज को कॉलम में चेंज करना होता है एंड कॉलम को रोज में चेंज करना होता है. ओके, now we are going to study the properties of transpose matrix. As you know, transpose matrix means when we transfer the row into column and column into row, we get the transpose of a matrix. Okay, now we are going to study the properties. So properties state that it has total 4 properties. First property state, when we find the transpose of any transposed matrix, then we will get the same matrix again. अगर हम किसी ट्रांसपोज्ड ऑलरेडी तो जो ट्रांसपोज्ड मैट्रिक्स है उसका ट्रांसपोज निकालेंगे, देन वी विल गेट द सेम मैट्रिक्स अगेन. दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी. सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी इज, सपोज वी हैव अ मैट्रिक्स with a constant, a transpose matrix with a constant, so we can write it in the form of k a dash. Okay, if we have dashes here, if we have like k is a constant and we have the transpose of k a, okay, so we can write the constant differently and the transpose of matrix differently. So for example, we can say, suppose we are having, here we have 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. ओके, तो ये हमारे पास एक मैट्रिक्स है A एंड वी हैव फाइंड इट्स ट्रांसपोज, लाइक ये हमारा कोई कांस्टेंट है 2. ठीक है, तो एंड इफ़ वी हैव टू फाइंड द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ इट, तो वी कैन से इट इज़ 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4 एंड 6, 6, 6. तो इस चीज़ को चाहे हम इस तरीके से लिखें या कांस्टेंट को अलग करके लिखें, दैट इज़ द सेम थिंग. सो दिस इज नोन एज दैट व्हेन वी multiply any constant with a transposed matrix, then we can also remove the constant, or we can write the constant differently and the transpose of that matrix differently. Okay, now we have our third property, that if we transpose, first we add the matrices and then we can transpose of it, then we get the same result as transpose of A and transpose of B. Suppose we are having any two matrices and we find the transpose of it by adding it. ठीक है, तो जो रिजल्ट होगा दैट विल बी इक्वल टू ट्रांसपोज ऑफ A एंड ट्रांसपोज ऑफ B. ओके, फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी इज if we multiply two matrices and find its transpose, then this will also equal to transpose of B and transpose of A with their multiplication. Okay, now we solve some example, but before this we have to study about the symmetric matrix also. Symmetric का क्या meaning होता है? When I am writing here, it is symmetric matrix. ठीक है, symmetric matrix का meaning है that if we have any matrix A and its transpose is also equal to A, कोई matrix हमारे पास है, ठीक है, और उसका transpose भी वही matrix आता है, तो we can say that this is a symmetric matrix. Okay, now we are going to solve some questions from exercise 3.2. So our second question is exercise 3.2 का second question we are having is we have A equals to -1, 2, 3 and we have 5, 7 and 9 and we have -2, 1 and 1. Now we have our second matrix, that is B equals to -4, 1, 1 and 1, 2, 3 and next numbers are -5, 0 and 1. We have total two matrix and we have to verify that A plus B dash, that means the transpose of A plus B is equal to होता है A dash plus B dash, transpose of A plus transpose of B. प्रॉपर्टी अभी हमने स्टडी करा था, उसके अंदर यही प्रॉपर्टी थी, बट नाउ वी हैव टू वेरीफाई इट. तो फर्स्ट हम क्या करेंगे, A प्लस बी निकालेंगे. ओके, तो A प्लस बी इक्वल टू वी विल गेट -1 -4, 2 प्लस 1, 3 -5, 5 प्लस 1, 7 प्लस 2, 9 प्लस 0, -2 प्लस 1, 1 प्लस 3 and 1 plus 1. So the addition we get as, जो हमें एडिशन मिलेगा वो होगा -5, 3, -2. ओके, 6, 9, 9. Here we have -1, 4 and 2. This is the addition of A plus B, but we have to find the transpose of it, A plus B dash. So A plus B dash will be 5. Here we get 3. Then we have -2. यहाँ पे 6, 9 and 9. -1, 4, 2. Because as you know, when we transpose any matrix, its raw changes into its column and its column changes its into raw. तो अब हमारे पास फर्स्ट पार्ट तो आ गया, दिस इज़ दी LHS पार्ट. ठीक है, नाउ वी हैव टू वेरीफाई द RHS पार्ट ऑल्सो एंड वी विल सी दैट LHS इक्वल्स टू RHS आता है या नहीं. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड A डैश प्लस B डैश. तो डायरेक्टली हम A का डैश यानी कि A का ट्रांसपोज निकाल के यहाँ लिख लेते हैं और B का ट्रांसपोज निकाल के यहाँ लिख लेते हैं और उनको ऐड कर लेते हैं. सो A डैश विल बी -1, 2 and 3, 5, 7 and 9, -5, -2, sorry, 1 and 1. Here we have -2. Okay, and plus B dash हमारे पास होगा -4, 1 and -5, 1, 2 and 0 and 1, 3, 1. तो ऑलरेडी हमने ट्रांसपोज तो कर ही लिया है, अब हमें इसका एडिशन करना है और ये देखना है कि इनका ट्रांसपोज बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली इक्वल आता है A plus B ट्रांसपोज के या नहीं. ओके, व्हेन वी ऐड दिस वी विल गेट -5. Here we have 6, here we have -1, यहाँ पे 3, 9 and 4. Now we have -2, 9 and 2. So you can see कि जो हमने एडिशन किया आफ्टर ट्रांसपोजिंग द मैट्रिक्स इंडिविजुअली, दैट इज़ एग्जैक्टली इक्वल टू द एडिशन ऑफ द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ द गिवन मैट्रिक्स. तो ये हमारे पास LHS का वैल्यू आया था, दिस इज RHS. दैट मीन्स we have proved that A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay.